My name is Vlad, I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day. Disclosures are very important, please read them. You can always pause the screen if you need more time to read the disclosures, and I encourage you to visit optionscreening.com if you're new to trading stock or options to understand the risk associated with trading stock and options. All right, let's take a look. I'm looking at the stock forecast toolbox. This is our main AI model based on neural networks. Learns and trains on the data, makes forward-looking predictions similar to generative AI. For the next 10 days, sees overhead resistance at 452, support at 448. The idea is if the market is at 453, you probably don't want to chase the market. 448 is a better entry point. Still intact bullish trend. Looking in 6 months, strong intact bullish trend. Again, 450 overhead resistance. 424 longer term makes sense to consider buying at 426 and consider selling at 450. We just started earnings season. We have pretty positive results to earnings from Schwab, Morgan Stanley, and Bank of America, kind of the opposite reaction to the JP Morgan and Wells Fargo last week. So we'll see if that trend can continue. But you can see spiders basically retesting failed rally last March, April. That's exactly where we stopped in January of 22 and March of 22. So important overhead resistance, nonetheless, as long as we're trading above 430, 440, bull trend is intact and market can continue going higher. I would keep an eye on the yield. Yield, second week in a row, we're posting new lows. I think that's negative for the market. And dollar looks like it's built in the bottom, but it did have a major breakdown of the key level 2023, which is bullish for the market. So you have mixed signals. Again, all eyes on the earnings and all eyes on the next week Fed meeting. Those are the two main drivers short term. I am trading UNH. Partially closed it today, bought at 480, closed at 490. Better than expected earnings. Stock had moved significantly higher, got close to my actually exit price. Still bullish. I would be a buyer on UNH and healthcare on pullbacks. We do have a YouTube channel. Please join us. If you haven't clicked on subscribe, click on subscribe button. We do have a live trading room which I use to trade some of the signals generated by the software, and you can see all of my position, all of my orders real time on Wednesday. Please join live or consider reviewing recording. Click on subscribe button if you haven't done that before. And again, all eyes are next week, manufacturing PMI, services PMI, and Fed decision on Wednesday. Thank you very much and have a great day.